Alright, so, yeah, do not buy these. They don't work. I've had mine for 5 days. It's already taking a crap. I've had this thing set at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what I set it at when I first got it. That's what I've kept it at. But this morning, I woke up and it's reading 0.0 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it's just keeps on heating and heating and heating with no limitation. When I woke up this morning, it was at 112 degrees Fahrenheit. But I took the lid off, took my plants out of there. Dude, that's not okay. That is not okay. I want my money back.